Hi, let's talk about value. You have to add value to your skills. You need to be the one who is on demand. Marami sa atin, we forgot to add value to ourselves sa mga bagay na ginagawa natin. Marami sa atin, okay na tayo sa okay na. That's why what we get is just okay. We forget that we have this potential na meron tayo na pwede natin magawa or pwede natin ma-reach. Maraming tao na in demand because they're develop their thinking, their personality, their attitude na once na pumasok sila sa room, everybody turns their eyes on him and wanting to talk to them, wanting to have a picture with them, wanting to get to know him because that person is very valuable. And consultants, that's why a consultant gets paid more than employees. The advisors are seek more, consult more than employers because they have masters their skills, their attitude, their character, and they reach their big portions of their potentials. That's why many people wants to talk to them, to be like them. Kapag pumasok ka sa isang larangan, you are bound to be. Even the conversations, even the things that you will do, you are bound to be. Ibig sabihin, people will high respect to you because you are someone who are trained for several years and sometimes decades for you, in order for yourself to be fully equipped. That's why every word that you speak matters. Every idea that you shared matters. Why? Because you already achieved the positions wherein people considered you because you know something, you can do something, and you can done something. That's why adding value to yourself is the most important that you can do. You can improve yourself. You become someone that unforgettable, someone that is impactful, someone that is always be consistent and add value to yourself. And that is the one way for you to be someone who can pioneer, who can change, someone who can start the innovation, can start the evolutions in terms of changing how things are getting done and improving things, and have already been practiced and over for several years or even decades or even centuries. You are the one who will inspire others. You are the one who look up to. That's why right now, let's add value to yourself. Add value to your life. Thank you everyone, and God bless.